One thing is that we have people alongside this road, come on, that come from the city and they burn their trash out here. And it's really not like, it's annoying, but it's not a problem really in the wet season like it is now. But we obviously don't want people burning trash on our ranch on the side of the road. Well, Corey caught her for me. She's used to getting caught by a rope, but I want to switch her to getting there with a halter. She's just not used to it, so she's scared of the halter. I get the hose. I didn't even notice that.
Look at that. A huge thing fell. That's why I call them widowmakers.
Yeah, I think she's only had the other saddle on her, right? So this might be. I just have to see it.
Can't remember. Yeah, I think so.
Once you get her in a halter, she obeys.
Oh, she knows, yeah.
It's just like right before. She knows when she's a wild horse and not.
It's just not how she's been taught. Since she was a little baby horse. Alright. That part goes through here. The other end of this.
Right here. Put it on the second one. And then this goes underneath here. Through there. I don't see nothing. Oh, this right here. On the loops are down. So in and down first. This one should be easier for me to remember than the other.
Yeah, it should be simple.
And I got it on video now, so I can watch this one. Got the other one on video too, but
Yeah, different saddle.
yeah. Did you keep going through the same way?
Yeah, I think 3 times. That was 2.
Yep.
Go through this top one to tie it off.
Okay. Top one, then go behind it. Alright.
It's really loose. You come to this side.
Tighten her up.
Mm-hmm.
When I go to the grocery store, should I use this to tie my bag to? Or should I get a rope and put it on the back end here?
Yeah. Rope on the back end there.
Okay.
This you shouldn't have to fuck with anymore. Might be able to even them out a little bit.
Okay.
later on, because this side is lower than that side, it looks like.
Mm.
Come back here. Behind her.
Oh, look behind her.
Let's see,
Left to right. Slightly to the left, but
Yeah, this part can be loosened down to a little bit more. That one can be tightened up a little bit more, but it should be all right. It's
Okay.
tight right now. It's really tight.
Mhm.
So you shouldn't be going nowhere.
Put that on the 3rd or 4th?
4.
Okay.
You could probably put it on a 5.
Push them out, loosen
Yeah,
a bit.
5.
Yeah.
5 is better.
Get riding and it might jiggle apart maybe. Alright.
You hit this. I'll show you how to tie it to there. You gotta make it right around here, not down here. Because she could trip on that with her leg. You
Okay.
want it up.
Just up top.
Yeah.
Okay. Under here, keep it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's something I might forget. I gotta make sure.
Yeah, make sure. And we go like this. Under.
Okay. Alright.
And go like this. Oh. There you go. That's better.
Okay, thank you.
No passing on, no problem.
And we're off. Just walk, Palamino. We're gonna go to the back of the property and check things out. I know we got some broken fences. It shouldn't be any more broke, but I'm gonna make sure there's no cattle or horses that aren't ours back there, because there have been. There's the calves over here in this pasture. This is our one of the biggest pastures. We got the majority of the cattle off. Corey's got it pretty much weed whacked. Hey girls. It's more beautiful, more and more beautiful as we walk down the road further. Don't have long, there's a storm coming, and Palamino knows that. Need to hold up more on her reins. And she was trying to turn back. I think it's barely gonna pass us. I think it's always over there, and it's clear to the right here. But I think we'll be good. I'm gonna continue. I'm about halfway to the back of the property. One thing is that we have people alongside this road, come on, that come from the city and they burn their trash out here. And it's really not like, it's annoying, but it's not a problem really in the wet season like it is now. But we obviously don't want people burning trash on our ranch on the side of the road. And it becomes a problem in the dry season when they burn, because obviously everything's dry and it just will take away a whole portion of the forest or jungle or in the grass. So I don't know much Spanish yet, so I kind of just shook his hand and didn't say nothing, but yeah, I need to learn more Spanish so I can tell him no trash. I guess that's so simple, but it's not really a problem now, even though we don't want them burning the trash, but it will be in the dry season, that's for sure. Yeah, I think we're just gonna get the edge of that right there. Because over here, it's, even though the wind's blowing directly towards me, I think we'll be good. we'll go on some of the back trails in the back of the property, and I'll show you some beautiful views as long as it doesn't rain, pour down rain. It's like a real heavy mist right now. We need to come through and clear all this here just so it's nice and clean. Surprisingly, there's a fence back there, but this part isn't taken well care of too much because there's a huge mountain cliff right here that the cows will not get through. Good to know that on the opposite side of the road, it's good to know that these aren't our cattle. They're actually the neighbors. So we don't have to worry about cattle breaking out into the other neighbor's farm. Hey girls. Well, that one's got something on the back of her. I think she just got branded. Yeah, she just got branded. Palamino wants to go work the cattle. Nope, we're not going to them. We're going straight that way over there. Not straight now, but come on. Palamino is so good around the cattle. She's about 7 years old, and that's what she was doing the majority of her life, from what I understand. We bought her from an older gentleman down the road further here. Probably another at least 2 miles down the road. And he sold her to us because he had to sell her, sadly. And now she's living on our ranch. And I bought her from Corey. And I'm just going to use her for moving the cattle and walking around the ranch, really. Corey and I were up here about 6 weeks ago fixing this fence behind me. And the parts we fixed looks good, but I think further down here there's a lot more breaks in the fence. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit heavier now. Oh, I do see a darker cloud there. It should pass real quick, so it might pour for a while. 5-10 minutes maybe. So here's one of the spots. I think a little bit down there was more down, but right here you can see the fence broke. All right, let's go. We'll be going up on that ridge there. But all this fence right here is down. Luckily that fence right there is good. Corey put that in recently. It's new barbed wire. Let's go, girl. I love the cliff here. It's so beautiful. On that. Nope, going this way. Here we go. Starting to get up on that ridge line. Oh, you can see rain all around us. And it's coming from this way. So I think we'll be good as far as it not raining. It's still kind of sprinkling now, but the road's down there. It's beautiful. Might as well take her up this part. So, there you go. Let her climb a little. She does a good job. Oh, good girl. I'm new to horseback riding, so if you have any tips for me, let me know. I'm just now starting to buy stuff for her. I want to get those like Velcro things that go around her ankles, so that gives her more support. But if you have any tips, or if you work for a company that makes anything horse related, just email me. My email is in my YouTube channel bio, and we'll see about putting it on these videos. It's beautiful out here. I like coming back here. Well, if you like this video, you'll like my other videos, and I post Thursday, Fridays, and Saturdays, so hit the subscribe button right now and you'll be able to see more of those. Well, here's the spot where they were burning trash. This older dude, he had like a smaller pickup truck, blue. I should have told something to him.